Yeah, it's probably best not to think about it. Besides, they make for a really cool couch. Then again, it's looking pretty bare. Why don't we whip up some Krabby Patty pillows? Ooh, and it looks like we ordered extra large. Meanwhile, I think we've earned a little jellyfishing break. Steady now. It's letting its guard down. Gotcha. Uh-oh. I prefer my pancakes with syrup, not jelly. Well, we could at least give you back your color. Now let's add some lines on top. But now it's time for the real heavy artillery, hot glue. Draw out some squiggles, and soon you'll have new tendrils. And we've got the perfect place for you to hang out. Mirrors are like windows to another world. Ooh, seems like that gave Sponge Girl an idea. We can use it to make a brand new porthole window. But I think we're gonna need a new view. And what could be better than a Bikini Bottom backdrop? The ocean's a beautiful place, but it could use a few more bottom feeders. Don't worry, we'll soon get things rolling. Now let's give the top a nice fringe. Next, we'll really put everything in place. And when I said get things rolling, you know I meant it. Remember, you don't need a license to drive a sandwich. Of course, you can't forget the patty. Our secret weapon, sesame seeds. Don't tell Plankton. Oh, and headlights. Can't go wrong with headlights. Ooh, looks like it's the self-driving model. And it brought our friends, Mr. Krabs and Sandy. Now the party can really get started. Ooh, are you whipping up a disco ball? No, that's not quite it. What? Hey everybody, it's Snow Bob Ice Pants. Looks like Patrick wants to know what's the scoop. We could use all this to make a sundae. But SpongeBob should go back to the water. I think we accidentally invited all of Bikini Bottom over. But it's no fun just standing around in the sand. Why don't we make you something really fun? We'll make you a fun slide, complete with your faces on top. Let's add on a little stairway to heaven. Let's have SpongeBob and Patrick try each other's slides. Something tells me that they liked it. Let's go again. Ooh, looks like Sandy Cheeks wants to try. But our karate-chopping Aquanaut wants a real challenge. We'll build you a slide with levels. And seashells. But it needs something else.
What?
Wormy! You can help us.
Ew.
But there's always room for growth. Aw, they grow up so fast, don't they? And just look at how stretchy you are. That'll come in handy. Don't forget something to help Sandy climb up. I mean, she's a squirrel. Climbing's in her nature. Of course, what goes up has got to come down. With this shell, we've got a basement and attic. Can't forget the antenna. Patrick likes his soaps. Ah, pineapples. They're practically made to cut up. More importantly, they're made for snacking. But save the shell. It just needs a few additions. Like a welcoming door. Plus a window or two. Pins, functional and fashionable. A chimney for Santa. But guess who's here now? SpongeBob! And Squidward's right around the corner. Hey, Sponge Girl, he needs his tiki. Grab a cup. Those pens ain't going anywhere. Stand it up and make a doorway. Cover it up with a nice dark blue. Uh-oh, almost sealed up the door. Now grab one of those loose pens. Add some color to these popsicle sticks. It's time for a little karate. You know, karate. Once they're broken up, we can make a door. Can't forget a gilded doorknob. But Tiki's missing a face? Ever notice he kind of looks like Squidward? Any other Squidwards we should know about? Uh-oh! Go away, angry cloud! Let's hope he doesn't bring friends. You know, you'd think the weather would be nice underwater. Well, no cloud can rain on our parade or next crafting project. Not sure what it is exactly, but it involves rocks. Add color. And give it a good shake. Now that's an improvement. We'll need more liquid. Oh, thank you, Squidward. Fill her up. Now these bottles could use a little makeover. Complete with straws. And a new clay cover. You know, Squidward helped us, so let's give back. Doesn't this look familiar? It's his house. Add some sand and more rocks to help it blend in. Step on it, Squidward. Try our new outdoor shower. Ooh, jellyfishing! SpongeBob and Patrick's favorite. Did you guys forget to bring your net? A hook? Mr. Krabs warned us about you. But maybe we could still put it to good use. Cover it up with twine and add a net. Soon, we'll be able to scoop these jellies on their way. Here, why don't we take you to meet some new friends? And I think we can draw up some snacks for you guys.
What?
Wow, I guess there really is a chicken of the sea. Ooh, an egg. But it could use a splash of blue. Heard of a sky full of stars? Well, how about a sea? And we've got the perfect arch for it. Add some corner coral. Here, guys, now you can see all your friends from a safe distance. Of course, sometimes it really is best to reach out. Don't be naughty, Gary. SpongeBob's collecting those bottle caps. Besides, it's more fun to make it into our own Ferris wheel. But we should really make something to stand it up.
Nah.
'Cause otherwise, it'll just be a pinwheel. Grab a flip-flop. Let's just say I've got an idea.
Yes.
And I think it will really help Gary learn to like bottle caps. Bring them together. And Gary's our brand new water wheel. Now who says that snails are slow? See? I told you Gary would like it. Ooh, SpongeBob and Patrick are hungry. 3 a.m. already? Don't worry. And it looks like sponges have got to stick together. In fact, everything's just a little bit better when it's a sponge. Like our handy new burger vending machine. Which means we're gonna need some tiny patties. Of course, our sponge chef should really dress for the job. Here, SpongeBob, want to try our maiden patty? Don't worry, Patrick won't be too far behind. Ooh, he's thirsty, but you can't drink pool water. We could whip you up a pink lemonade stand. Then again, variety is the spice of life. So why don't we include a whole bunch of flavors? Grape, strawberry, apple, and orange. That drink already looks pretty solid. But drinks reach room temperature sooner than you think. And ice machines always end up paying for themselves. Here, Patrick, have something to wet your whistle. It kind of looks like a satellite. Oh, hold on. You're making a barbecue. We'll need charcoal. Unless you prefer propane and propane accessories. But if we want our guests to sit back and relax, we're gonna need something for them to relax on. And we might as well make it sparkle, too. Don't forget shades for that underwater sun. Crafting is thirsty work, but make sure to save that bottle cap. Just cover it up. Now we'll need our shark friend again. Yeah, we save a ton on paper shredders around here. But if you want things to have a nice shape, it's always best just to use a hole punch. We just need a little circle right in the center. Now we've got a tiny table for our tiny treats. Okay, I think the patties are about well done. Let's get it ready. Patrick looks pretty hungry. Lunch is ready, everyone. Come and get it. Ooh, you've even brought some extras. You can really taste that secret formula. All done? Well, why don't you all relax? A starfish? Hey, are you a friend of Patrick's? Well then, you can help us with our next craft. You guys want to work off those Krabby Patties? Well then,
I want some.
try out our new trampoline.
Empty. I have to try this.
Okay, let's go.
Any takers? Looks like Squidward's going first. Next, Sandy's gonna get some serious air. Of course, we can't forget SpongeBob. Wow, this place has got everything, even Gary. There's always fun to be had under the sea. Just wait till you see what we've got planned for Squidward's house next. We hit something! Diamonds! Don't tell Mr. Krabs. Anyone got anything they want to add? Thanks, Squidward. Ooh, doubloons! Sponge Skull's got a cool new resting place. What a nice chain! Why not add it in too? Always knew SpongeBob's the real treasure. Of course, the best treasure's always buried, for some reason. SpongeBob? That must be his spare skull. Lunchtime? Ooh, the Krusty Krab delivers. Wow, we finally get to try a Krabby Patty. If you think that's bad, they forgot your drink too. But Sponge Girl has a few tricks up her sleeve. We just need a ball, make a slice, and paint it as red as Mr. Krabs. Add a matching pipe cleaner, make a pair. Now we've got some big meaty claws. That's right, we're making our own crab. And down here, crabs like money, like a lot. Some lashes should protect those dollar signs. Hey, why don't you guard our treasure? And yes, it's a paid position. Plankton? Leave her brain alone! We should really keep an eye on you. Speaking of eye, he needs one. Just one. Someone's looking good. Well, evil good. Hey, we've got a little surprise for you. You finally get to go into business with Mr. Krabs. Uh-oh, looks like stormy seas ahead. Oh no, the gang's all mixed up. Let's help them find their right houses. I know, we'll make them some signs. Just add the right color button where it's needed. Plenty of pink to go around. We've got green too. All it needs now is a leg to stand up. Here guys, go to the place with your face on it. Nothing beats a good homecoming. Oh, SpongeBob, what's wrong? I know. You miss your best friend in the world. If the shell didn't tip you off, it's Gary. After all, home is where the shell is. But we're not done yet. We need a body. Some membrane, and 2 eye stalks. A snail without a shell is just a slug. Ooh, Gary must be eating all of his veggies. Which reminds me, it's time for dinner.